Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. Today, we're drawing a cute, magical unicorn birthday cake.
Hi there, it's me, Birthday Cake. Can you make me?
First, we will draw the body of our unicorn cake. Draw a rectangle for the base of the cake.
A strong foundation for our delicious cake.
Draw two big eyes to look super cute and friendly. Let's give our unicorn cake a magical mane.
Yay! Wavy and colorful, just like a real unicorn.
Draw a cute smiley mouth right below the eyes.
As birthday cakes are always happy to celebrate with you,
Let's add some yummy icing on top.
icing makes everything sweeter and delicious.
Draw the horn-shaped candle at the top center of the cake.
This candle is magical. Add a small flame at the tip.
Give our unicorn cake some ears.
Perfect. Can hear all the birthday wishes.
Add some heart design. Draw some heart-shaped balloons and little stars around the cake. Draw the lines darker to make the unicorn cake stand out. Now it's time for the best part, coloring.
Oh, I'm so excited. I love all colors.
Pink color ear. Can you tell us what makes you so special?
I'm like the star of the show, bringing smiles and yummy treats to everyone.
Oh. Multicolor horn and mane. Green, red, blue, orange, violet, yellow. How do you get made?
It takes lots of love and yummy ingredients. We usually have flour, sugar, eggs, a butter, and sometimes even milk and chocolate chips.
Wow, that sounds delicious! Cream color. Purple color balloon. Colorful sprinkles. Wow! And there you have it, kids. A dazzling unicorn cake.
I'm ready to celebrate. Have a happy birthday every day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!